Ferrari World Abu Dhabi, a thrilling and iconic theme park, offers a unique blend of automotive passion, exhilarating rides, and immersive experiences that make it a must-visit destination for both motorsport enthusiasts and families alike. Located on Yas Island in the United Arab Emirates, this sprawling amusement park is dedicated to the legendary Ferrari brand and its rich history. At the heart of Ferrari World Abu Dhabi lies the Formula Rossa, the world's fastest roller coaster that simulates the experience of being in a Formula One car. With speeds that can exceed 150 miles per hour, this adrenaline-pumping ride offers an exhilarating rush that captures the essence of the speed and excitement associated with Ferrari racing. The park's architectural marvel, the iconic Ferrari red roof, is modeled after the classic double-curve side profile of a Ferrari GT car. The building's sleek design creates a striking silhouette on the Yas Island skyline, making it a visual landmark in its own right. Ferrari World Abu Dhabi is home to a variety of attractions that cater to all ages and interests. From the karting academy, where visitors can experience the thrill of kart racing, to the Flying Aces roller coaster that boasts the world's tallest loop, the park offers an array of rides that embody the spirit of Ferrari's performance and innovation. For those seeking a deeper connection to the Ferrari brand, the Galleria Ferrari showcases a stunning collection of historic and modern Ferrari cars, providing insights into the brand's evolution and contribution to the world of automotive excellence. Visitors can also experience the thrill of virtual racing through state-of-the-art simulators that put them in the driver's seat of a Ferrari, allowing them to navigate some of the world's most iconic racetracks. Ferrari World Abu Dhabi's family-friendly attractions, such as the Tire Twist and Junior GT, offer younger visitors a chance to experience the excitement of Ferrari-themed adventures in a safe and enjoyable environment. The park's dining options, inspired by Italian cuisine and culture, offer a range of culinary delights that cater to various palates. From quick bites to fine dining experiences, visitors can savor Italian flavors and indulge in delectable meals that complement the immersive experience. In essence, Ferrari World Abu Dhabi is more than just a theme park, it's a celebration of automotive passion, speed, and the enduring legacy of the Ferrari brand. Whether it's experiencing heart-pounding rides, immersing in the brand's history, or simply embracing the excitement of motorsport, Ferrari World Abu Dhabi invites visitors to embark on a journey that captures the essence of high-speed thrills and engineering excellence.